If you want to make a table in Google Sheets and use tables in Google Sheets, the very new feature from Google Sheets, and you have some data here, we're just going to select that data. We can right click and convert to table. Here it will automatically convert to a table, and it can have some kind of column type. Right now the column type is none, so we will have to select maybe number to get some cool data validation. Here you can see edit type is a drop down. That is because it was already a drop down. Daily edit column type is a number because it organically got that number. Here, column type is a number as well. We can now rename this table. We can adjust the table range. We can turn on alternating colors or turn off alternating colors. Right now, you can see there's a little bit of a gray background to the rows. And if you want to format this back to regular data and not have it in this table, just go up to the table name next to it and revert to unformatted data, and it will revert back. Unfortunately, as you can see here, it doesn't keep our drop-down menus, and it doesn't keep any styling we've had before. It will actually revert it to plain text. But if you want to get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.